Good morning everybody. Welcome back to our channel Sri Education. In previous class we learned the volume of cube and cuboid. So today class is exercise 14.2. Find the volume of the cuboid whose dimensions are given below. Here length, breadth, height are given. So we find the value. Here volume formula is equal to LBH. Volume V equal to LBH. We use that formula and find these three values. So now here first we write the volume formula. Yeah, volume V equal to LBH. So LBH is the volume. Now we write the first one answer. Here L equal to 8.2, B equal to 5.3, H equal to 2.6. So that equal to here V equal to LBH. LBH means 8.2 into, here we write the 8.2 L value and B value. B equal to 5.3 into H value is 2.6. So multiply these three numbers. Here 112.99 meter cube is the units. This is the first one answer. Next, second one answer. Here second one answer is, here V equal to, we write here 50 into 40 into 3.5 LBH. So that equal to here 5 4s are 20. So here 5 4s are 20. Here 5.0 4.0. Here 5.0 4.0. We write 5 4. 5 4s are 5 4s are 20. 20 into 3.5. 20 into 3.5 means here 70 meter cube is the answer. Next, third one, V equal to 4.5 into 2.0, we write 2. Both are same, into 2.5. So here multiply these three numbers, 4.5 into 2 into 2.5. 2 into 2.5, 5.0. So 5 into 4.5. 5 into 4.5 is 22.5 meter cube. So this is the first one answer. Next, second question, find the capacity of the tanks with the following internal dimensions. Express the capacity of the cubic meters and liters for each tank. Here length, breadth, depth. Depth means here tank height. So here given. Now we find the volume. Here capacity of the tank. Capacity in cubic meters. We find the capacity of the tank. Means we find the volume of these three tanks. So here first we write the volume formula. Here volume V equal to LBH. This is the formula. Here LBH. So now here we write here V volume equal to 3 meters 20 centimeters. 3 meters 20 centimeters. So we write here 3.2 meters into here 2.90 centimeters. So we write here 2.9 meters into here 1 meter 50 centimeters, 1.5 meters. So multiply these three. So here multiply these three. Here 13.92 meter cube. Meter cube is the units. So this is the meter cube. So now this one we converted into liters. Here converted into liters means here we write here 1392 into, here meter cube is converted into liters means here we multiply with 1000. Multiply with 1000. 13920. Here 2 digits, here 3 zeros are there. 2 digits we write 10. So liters is the answer. Now second one, here 2 meters 50 centimeters. 2 meters 50 centimeters we write in meters. 2.5 meters. Here 1 meter 60 centimeters we write in 1.6. Here 1 meter 30 centimeters we write in 1.3 meters. So these three are the meters. So 2.5 into 1.6 into 1.3, multiply these three numbers. Here 5.2 meter cube. Meter cube is the units. So now here this one converted into liters. Here we are converted into liters. 5.2 into multiply with 1000. So that equal to here already 1 point before 0 is there. So here 5200 liters is the capacity of second tank. Next third one here. First one is the 7 meters 30 centimeters. So we write here 7.3 meters. 7.3 meters. Next 3 meters 6 centimeters. 3.6 meters. Here 1 meter 40 centimeters. So we write 1.4 meters. So multiply these three numbers, 7.3 into 3.6 into 1.4. So 36.793 meter cube. So now here this one converted into liters. 36.793 into multiply with 1000. So now converted into liters. So here 3 digits before point is there. Here 3 zeros are there. So we write 36793 liters. 36,793 liters is the answer. This is the second one complete answer. Next, third question. What will happen to volume of cube if the length of its edge is reduced to half? Is the volume get reduced? If yes, how much? Here, what will happen to the volume of a cube if the length of its edge is reduced half? Suppose here length is a, after reducing after length is a by 2. Now we find the volumes, compare it. First, the volume of a cube. Volume of a cube of a side here we take a is here v1 equal to a cube. So after cube of the length, its edge is reduced to half. So reducing after the side. If the length of the side reduced by half, here reducing half after than side equal to a by 2. First your side is a, volume is a cube. Here reducing after side is a by 2. Reducing after side is a by 2. So volume is equal to volume of the cube equal to volume of the cube v2. V2 equal to a by 2 whole cube. That means s cube means here a s equal to a by 2. So a by 2 whole cube. A by 2 whole cube means here a cube by here 2 power 3 means here we write 8. 2 power 3 means we write 8. 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2 8. A cube by 8. A cube by 8 we write here 1 by 8 into a cube. So here a cube equal to we write here v1. v1 equal to a cube. First one volume is a cube. So 1 by 8 into here we write v1. So v2 equal to 1 by 8 into v1. v2 equal to 1 by 8 v1. So here 8 carry to left side. Left side means here v1 or v2 equal to 8 v2 equal to v1. That is we write here v1 equal to 8 v2. So this is the first side is reduced off after volume is. So here v1 equal to 8 into v2 is volume is here reduced 8 times. 8 times volume is here 8 times. So v1 equal to 8 into v2. Here side is reduced half means automatically volume is reduced in 8 times. So here finally v1 equal to 8 into v2. So this is the third one answer. Next, fourth question. Find the area of each of the cube whose side are 6.4, 1.3 meters, 1.6 meters. Here side is given. We find the value. Here volume formula is a cube. Here find the volume of each of the cube. So first we write the volume of a cube formula. Volume of a cube v equal to volume of a cube v equal to here a cube. Here a is the side. So now here first one a equal to 6.4 centimeters. So here volume v equal to here v equal to 6.4 whole cube. That equal to we write here 6.4 into 6.4 into 6.4. Multiply these three numbers. Here 262.144 centimeters. So this is the first one answer. Next we write here second one 1.3. So 1.3 meters. Here second one. Here second one equal to a equal to 1.3 meters. Here units is meters. So here volume v equal to here we write a cube. Here a cube is the formula. A cube means we write here 1.3 whole cube. That equal to 1.3 into 1.3 into 1.3. Multiply these three numbers. 1.3 into 1.3 1.69. 1.69 into 1.3 2.197 meter cube. Here meter is there, we write meter cube. Next third one. Here third one, here 1.6 meters. 1.6 meters. Here A equal to 1.6 meters. So here volume V equal to 1.6 whole cube. 1.6 whole cube. That equal to here we write 1.6 into 1.6 into 1.6. Here multiply these three numbers, 4.096 meter cube. So this is the fourth one complete answer. Next, fifth question. How many bricks will be required to build a wall of 8 meters long, 6 meters height and 22.5 centimeters brick? Here meters are given. Here centimeters is given. So if each brick measures 25 centimeters, 11.25 centimeters and 6 centimeters. So we find the required bricks. Here how many bricks will be required? So we find the number of bricks. Here required bricks. So here wall measurements are given and brick measurements are given. So here we find the divided with wall measurements is divided with brick measurements. So here first we find the wall volume. So volume of a wall. Volume of a wall. Here wall volume is equal to, here we write V1. V1 is the wall volume. Here L1, B1, H1. Here we write here L1. Here we write here L1. L1 equal to, we write here wall measurements. Here wall of 8 meters. 8 meters. And B1 equal to here 6 meters. Here 6 meters. Next here H is equal to, H1 equal to 22.5 centimeters. Here 20 centimeters. So here height 6 is the height. So here this one is the B. So now here L1, these two are the meters, this one is the centimeters. So these two are also converted into centimeters. So we write here this one equal to here 8 meters is converted into centimeters, 800 centimeters, 800 centimeters. And height H1 is converted into here meters, we converted into centimeters, 600 centimeters. Now we write the B1 equal to 22.5 centimeters. Now these three units are same. So now here we write the value. Here volume B1 equal to, here substitute these values here, 800 into 600 into 22.5. So now here this is the volume of wall. So next we find the volume of brick. Volume of brick. Here volume of brick is equal to V2 equal to L2 B2 H2. Here L2 equal to here 25 centimeters, 11.25 centimeters, 6 centimeters. Here L is the 25. Next here B equal to here 11.25 centimeters and C equal to here 6 centimeters. Here centimeters. So now here we write the volume of bricks is equal to here V2 equal to L2 25 into 11.5 into H equal to 6. So this is the volume of brick. Here units is the centimeter square. Here also we write the unit centimeter square. Now these two units are same. So now here number of bricks will be required. The number of bricks will be required. Here will be required. Here V1 by V2. Here V1 equal to, we write these 3. Here V2 equal to, we write these 3. Here V1 equal to here L1 B1 H1 by L2 B2 H2. So that equal to, here we write 800 into 600 into 22.5 by here 25 into 11.5 into 6. So now simplify this one. Here 20 here 6, 1 is 6. Here we write point means we write here point. Here 100, 6 1 is 6, 100. So next here 11. So here first 11.25 1 here 11.2 we take 2 is 22.5. 11.1 is 11.2 is 22.5. Here 25 1 is 25, 3 is 75, 25 2 is 50. So here 32 is. Next 6 1 is 6, 100 is 600. So now here 32 into 100 into 2. 32 into 100. 100 into 2. 6400. 6400. Number of bricks equal to number of bricks A number of bricks equal to 6400. Here required bricks is 6400. This is the complete fifth one answer. Sixth question, a cuboid is 25 centimeters long, 15 centimeters broad and 8 centimeters height. How much of its volume will be differ from that of a cube with the edge of 16 centimeters? Here first we find the cuboid and cube volumes and compare these two volumes. Find the difference. Here cuboid measurements are given. Here cube edge is given. We find these two volumes and find out the difference. Now here first here cuboid. Here cuboid measurements are here first L equal to 25 centimeters, B equal to 15 centimeters broad, here height equal to 8 centimeters. So these are the cuboid measurements. Now here we find the volume of cuboid equal to here V1, volume of cuboid. So here V1 equal to we write volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid V1 equal to here L1 B1 H1 LBH. So here 25 centimeters, 15 centimeters into 8 centimeters. So this is the value. Multiply these numbers. So here 3000 meter centimeter cube is the value. Here volume of cuboid V1 equal to. Now here we find the volume of cube edge of 16 centimeters. So now here cube. Here cube measurements are here L equal to here our side. Here side S equal to here 16 centimeters. So now here volume of cube. Here volume of cube equal to here V2 equal to here S cube equal to 16 cube equal to we write 16 into 16 into 16. Here multiply these three numbers 4096. So here centimeter cube is the units. So now here difference, here asking differ from that volumes. So here the difference between their volumes. So therefore the difference between their volumes, so is equal to here we write V2 minus V1. So here because here compare these two volumes, here V2 is greater, so V2 minus V1, we find the V2 minus V1. Here 4096 minus 3000, so here 1096 centimeter cube is the difference. So now this is the sixth one complete solution. Seventh question, a closed box is made up of a wood which is 1 centimeter thickness. Here closed box wood 1 centimeter thickness. The outer dimensions of the box is here 5 centimeter, 4 centimeters, 7 centimeters. Find the volume of the wood used. Here wood volume is equal to here box outer volume, inner volume difference. So here outer measurements are given, so inner measurements we find. Here inner measurements means here thickness is 1 centimeter. Thickness 1 centimeter means here two sides thickness 1 into 1 2 centimeters. So here 5 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 7 minus 2 are the measurements of inner box. Here first we write the here given outer measurements. So first we write the outer measurements. Here outer measurements equal to 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 7 centimeters. Here L equal to 5 centimeters, B equal to 4 centimeters, H is equal to 7 centimeters. So now here we find the value. Here value, here V1 equal to, we use the outer measurements LBH. Here 5 into 4 into 7, 4 into 7. So here 5 4s are 20, 27s are 140. 140 centimeter cube is the volume of outer measurements. We use the outer measurements. So now we use the inner measurements of a box. Inner measures is here L equal to, we write here L equal to, here wood which one is 1 centimeter thickness. Here wood, here any box we take, any box, two sides are there. So here one side is 1 centimeter, here another side is 1 centimeter. So here we less the 2 centimeters. So here inner measurements equal to, we write here L minus 2W. Here W is thickness. Next same B equal to B minus 2W. Here H equal to H minus 2W. These are the inner measurements. So first we write the inner measurements is here L equal to 5 minus 2, that equal to 3 centimeters. Next here B equal to here B 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, 2 centimeters. Next here H equal to H, here 7 minus 2 is equal to here 5 centimeters. So here L, B, H of these are the inner measurements. So here we find the inner value. Inner value is here volume V2 equal to here LBH. LBH is equal to here we write the 3 into 2 into 5. Here 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30 centimeter cube. So here we find the wood volume. Wood volume is equal to the volume of the used wood. The volume of wood used. The volume of wood used equal to here we write V1 minus V2. So here V1 equal to 140 centimeter cube. 140 centimeter cube minus here V2 equal to 30. So here 30. So 140 minus 130 equal to here 110 centimeter cube is the wood volume. So the volume of the wood used is equal to 110 centimeters. So here total wood is used 110 centimeter cube volume. So this is the complete 7th one answer. Next 8th question, how many cubes of edges 4 centimeters each of can be cut out from cuboid whose length, breadth and height are 20 centimeters, 18 centimeters, 16 centimeters respectively. So here first here one big cuboid is there. So that cuboid we cut into 4 centimeters cube. So here we cut into how many pieces? Here required number of cubes. We find the required number of cubes. So here cuboid measurements are given. Here cubes of edge is 4 centimeters. Now here first we write the cuboid measurements. Here cuboid measurements length, breadth and height are 20, 18, 16 centimeters. So here we write cuboid. Here cuboid is equal to length 20 centimeters. Here breadth 18 centimeters and height equal 16 centimeters. So now here volume V1 equal to L1 B1 H1 equal to, we write these values here L1 B1 H1. So here 20 into 18 into 16. So here multiply these three numbers is the value. Product of these three numbers value V1. Next the volume of the here how many cubes of edge 4 centimeters. Here 4 centimeters. We find this edge 4 centimeters value. So here volume of cube. Volume of cube. Here cube volume is equal to, we say V2 is equal to S cube. Here S equal to 4 centimeters. Here given already. Here question is there. So now here V2 equal to here 4 cube. S cube means here S equal to, we substitute 4. 4 cube means here 4 into 4 into 4. 4 into 4 into 4 is equal to, here this is the V2 value. So now here number of cubes are required. So therefore number of cubes are required. Here required cubes equal to here V1 by V2. Here V1 equal to, V1 value is 20 into 18 into 16. 20 into 18 into 16 is the V1 value by V2. V2 value is 4 into 4 into 4 is the V2 value. V2 value is equal to 4 into 4 into 4. So now here cancel these numbers. Here 4 ones are 4 fours are 4 get cancelled. Here 1 4 is there. 4 ones are 4 5s are. So now here 18 into 5s are 90. So here number of cubes are required is equal to 90 is the answer. So this is the complete 8th one answer. Now next 9th one, how many cuboids of size 4 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 2 centimeters can be made from a cuboid of size here 12 centimeters, 9 centimeters, 6 centimeters. So here we find the cuboids. number of cuboids. So here divided these two volumes, here answer is coming. Now first here we find the bigger cuboid volume. So here volume of a cuboid. So here volume of a cuboid, here measurements are 12 centimeters, 9 centimeters, 6 centimeters. So we write the measurements. Here L equal to 12 centimeters, B equal to 9 centimeters and H equal to 6 centimeters. So now here first we write this cuboid volume. So here volume V1 equal to here L1 or L1 B1 H1. So that equal to here 12 into L1 B1 H1, 12 into 9 into 6 is the volume of first this cuboid. Now next we find the here how many cuboids of the size here 4 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 2 centimeters cube can be made from a cuboid. So here we find the smaller cuboid value. So volume of the smaller cuboid. So here volume of the smaller cuboid equal to here measurements are 4 centimeters, 3 centimeters, L2 B2 equal to 3 centimeters and here H2 equal to 2 centimeters. So now here V2 equal to L2 B2 H2. So that equal to here 4 into 3 into 2. This is the V2 value. So now here number of cuboids are made. So we write the number of cuboids are made. So here we write the number of cuboids are made equal to V1 by V2. So here divided these two volumes. Here first one volume is here we write 12 into 9 into 6. By here second volume is here V2. V2 volume is equal to 4 into 3 into 2. So now here these volumes here 12 is there. So 4 1s are 4 3s are 3 get cancelled. Here 2 is there 2 3s are. So 9 3s are 9 3s are 27. So here number of cubes is equal to 27. So number of cubes equal to number of cuboids equal to 27. So this is the ninth one complete solution. Next 10th question. A vessel in a shop of cuboid is 30 centimeters long and 25 centimeters wide. What should be its height to hold 4.5 liters of water? Here 4.5 liters of water is this cuboid capacity is 4.5 centimeters. So here capacity is divided with these two measurements. So height is coming. So we find the height. So now here first we write the vessel measurements. So here cuboidal vessel measurements. Cuboidal vessel. So here we write the measurements. L equal to here 30 centimeters and next breadth equal to here 25 centimeters. Here next we find the height. What should be its height? So we find the height. Now here the volume of the here to hold 4.5 liters of water. Here 4.5 liters of water. So this here centimeters are measurements. Here meters are given. So the volume of the water in a cuboidal vessel. So here volume equal to here 4.5 liters. 4.5 liters. So here 4.5 liters, here centimeters is given. So we converted into centimeters. Centimeters means here 4.5 into here 1000 centimeter cube. So here liters converted into centimeters. Here already one digit before point is there. Here one after 3 zeros are there. So 4500 centimeter cube. So now here these two are equal. First this one value and here vessel capacity is both are equal. So now here LBH is equal to here volume is equal to 4500. So here now we find the H is equal to, already we know the L and H values. Here substitute here L equal to 30 into here B equal to 25 into H we don't know the H value. Here 4500. So now here we find the H value. H is equal to here 4500 by here 30 into 25. These two numbers carry to right hand side. Here multiply. So carry to right hand side. Here divided. So divided means here first 0 get cancelled. These two are get cancelled. Next here. So here 3 table. 3 ones are here 3 ones are 3 5s are 15, 0. Next here 25 1s are 25, 6 are. So here h is equal to 6. Here 6 centimeters. Units is centimeters. So height of the vessel, therefore height of the vessel is equal to 6 centimeters. Vessel h equal to 6 centimeters is the answer. So this is the complete 10th one answer. This is the last question of this exercise. So 14th chapter, last exercise completed. This complete notes PDF link on description is there. If you are interested, if you are needed, download it.